Question 1. Which budget is known as the Black Budget of India? A. 1973-74. B. 1950-51. C. 1948-49. D. 1991-92. Correct answer is A. 1973-74. Question 2. Economic planning is a subject. A. In the Union list. B. In the state list. C. In the concurrent list. D. Unspecified in any special list. Correct answer is C. Concurrent list. Question 3. Planning in India derives its objectives from A. Fundamental rights. B. Directive principles of state policy. C. Fundamental duties. D. Preamble. Correct answer is B. Directive principles of state policy. Question 4. Economic survey is published by A. Ministry of Finance. B. Planning Commission. C. Government of India. D. Indian Statistical Institute. Correct answer is A. Ministry of Finance. Question 5. The concept of 5-year plans in India was introduced by A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 6. India opted for mixed economy in A. Framing of the Constitution. B. Second 5-year plan. C. Industrial policy of 1948. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Industrial policy of 1948. Question 7. India's economic planning cannot be said to be A. Indicative. B. Imperative. C. Limited. D. Democratic. Correct answer is B. Imperative. Question 8. Who was the first Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission of India? A. Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Gulzarilal Nanda. D. Shri C. Rajagopalachari. Correct answer is C. Gulzarilal Nanda. Question 9. Take off stage in an economy means A. Steady growth begins. B. Economy is stagnant. C. Economy is about to collapse. D. All controls are removed. Correct answer is A. Steady growth begins. Question 10. The strategy of rolling plan was adopted during the prime ministership of A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Morarji Desai. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Correct answer is C. Morarji Desai. Question 11. Who wrote the book Planned Economy for India? A. M. Vishweshwara. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is A. M. Vishweshwara. Question 12. Which of the following bodies finalizes the 5-year plan proposals? A. Planning Commission. B. Union Cabinet. C. National Development Council. D. Ministry of Planning. Correct answer is C. National Development Council. Question 13. Who of the following was the author of the chapter on Objectives of Plan Development for the third 5-year plan? A. Morarji Desai. B. C. D. Deshmukh. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Correct answer is A. Morarji Desai. Question 14. Which 5-year plan adopted the Nehru Mahalanobis strategy? A. First 5-year plan. B. Fourth 5-year plan. C. Second 5-year plan. D. First 5-year plan. Correct answer is C. Second 5-year plan. Question 15. A. Closed economy is an economy in which A. The money supply is fully controlled. B. Deficit financing takes place. C. Only exports take place. D. Neither exports nor imports take place. Correct answer is D. Neither exports nor imports take place. Question 16. In India, the concepts of minimum needs and directed anti-poverty programs were the innovations of A. Fourth 5-year plan. B. Fifth 5-year plan. C. Sixth 5-year plan. D. Seventh 5-year plan. Correct answer is B. Fifth 5-year plan. Question 17. The slack season in the Indian economy is A. March to April. B. September to Dec. C. January to June. D. February to April. Correct answer is C. January to June. Question 18. India's wage policy is based on A. Cost of living. B. Standard of living. C. Productivity. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Cost of living. Question 19. Which Indian city is known as the financial capital of India? A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Bangalore. D. Kolkata. Answer. B. Mumbai. Dot. Question 20. Cyclical unemployment refers to A. Seasonal unemployment. B. Disguised unemployment. C. Voluntary unemployment. D. Unemployment during recessionary phase of a trade cycle. Correct answer is D. Unemployment during recessionary phase of a trade cycle. Question 21. Which committee's recommendations are being followed for estimating poverty line in India? A. Dutt Committee. B. Chelaya Committee. C. Chakravarti Committee. D. Lagdawala Committee. Correct answer is D. Lagdawala Committee. Question 22. Absolute poverty means A. Poverty in terms of absolute number of people. B. Poverty in terms of the basic minimum calorie requirements. C. Poverty in terms of the prevailing price level. D. Poverty in terms of the absolute level of unemployment. Correct answer is B. Poverty in terms of the basic minimum calorie requirements. Question 23. The Food for Work program was renamed as A. Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program, RLEGP. B. National Rural Employment Program, NREP. C. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, JRY. D. Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP. Correct answer is B. National Rural Employment Program, NREP. Question 24. Operation Black Borders for A. Primary schools. B. Middle schools. C. Secondary schools. D. Convent schools. Correct answer is A. Primary schools. Question 25. The cause of inflation is A. Increase in money supply. B. Fall in production. C. Increase in money supply and fall in production. D. Decrease in money supply and fall in production. Correct answer is C. Increase in money supply and fall in production. Question 26. 1 rupee currency notes bear the signature of A. Prime Minister of India. B. President of India. C. Finance Minister of India. D. Finance Secretary of India. Correct answer is D. Finance Secretary of India. Question 27. How many languages are used on a 10 rupee note? A. 2. B. 7. C. 10. D. 15. Correct answer is D. 15. Question 28. The first bank established in India was A. Punjab National Bank. B. Traders Bank. C. State Bank of India. D. Bank of Hindustan. Correct answer is D. Bank of Hindustan. Question 29. The Reserve Bank of India issues A. All the currency notes. B. All the currency notes except the 1 rupee note. C. All the currency notes except the 100 rupee note. D. Only notes of 10 rupees and above. Correct answer is B. All the currency notes except the 1 rupee note. Question 30. What do you understand by bear raid? A. An attempt to bring down the price of strong short selling. B. Simultaneous buying of shares and debentures in view of getting more values in near future. C. Higher rate of price paid for the particular government share or debentures. D. Any of the above. Correct answer is A. An attempt to bring down the price of strong short selling. Question 31. What are gilt-edged securities? A. Securities issued by the multinationals. B. Securities issued by the government. C. Securities issued by the private sectors. D. Securities issued by the joint venture companies. Correct answer is B. Securities issued by the government. Question 32. Bank rate is the rate at which A. A bank lends to the public. B. The Reserve Bank of India lends to the public. C. The Government of India lends to other countries. D. The Reserve Bank of India gives credit to commercial banks. Correct answer is D. The Reserve Bank of India gives credit to commercial banks. Question 33. Repo rate is the rate at which A. The Reserve Bank of India lends to state government. B. The international aid agencies lend to Reserve Bank of India. C. The Reserve Bank of India lends to banks. D. The banks lend to Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is D. The banks lend to Reserve Bank of India. Question 34. The Imperial Bank of India, after nationalization, was given the name of A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Bank of India. C. State Bank of India. D. Indian Overseas Bank. Correct answer is C. State Bank of India. Question 35. The system of budget was introduced in India during the Viceroyalty of A. Canning. B. Dalhousie. C. Ripon. D. Elgin. Correct answer is A. Canning. Question 36. Temporary tax levied to obtain additional revenue is called A. Cess. B. Rate. C. Fee. D. Surcharge. Correct answer is D. Surcharge. Question 37. Rate of growth of an economy is measured in terms of A. Per capita income. B. Industrial development. C. Number of people who have been lifted above the poverty line. D. National income. Correct answer is D. National income. Question 38. The standard of living in a country is represented by its A. National income. B. Per capita income. C. Poverty ratio. D. Unemployment rate. Correct answer is B. Per capita income. Question 39. Which is the best measure of economic growth of a country? A. GDP. B. GNP. C. Net revenue. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. GDP. Question 40. Which among the following formulates fiscal policy? A. RBI. B. Finance Ministry. C. SEBI. D. Planning Commission. Correct answer is B. Finance Ministry. Question 41. Dear money policy implies A. High price level. B. Large money supply. C. High production. D. High interest rates. Correct answer is D. High interest rates. Question 42. Railway budget in India was separated from general budget in A. 1924-25. B. 1941-42. C. 1947-48. D. 1950-51. Correct answer is A. 1924-25. Question 43. National income of India is compiled by A. Finance Commission. B. Indian Statistical Institute. C. National Development Council. D. Central Statistical Organization. Correct answer is D. Central Statistical Organization. Question 44. All taxes come under A. Revenue receipts. B. Capital receipts. C. Public debt. D. Both A and B. Correct answer is A. Revenue receipts. Question 45. What are open market operations? A. Activities of SEBI registered brokers. B. Selling of currency by the RBI. C. Selling of gilt-edged securities by the government. D. Sale of shares by FIIs. Correct answer is C. Selling of gilt-edged securities by the government. Question 46. Investment in public works is known as A. Revenue expenditure. B. Capital expenditure. C. Current expenditure. D. Either A or B. Correct answer is B. Capital expenditure. Question 47. A budgetary deficit means A. Total expenditure is more than total revenue. B. Current expenditure is more than current revenue. C. Capital expenditure is more than capital revenue. D. Total expenditure is more than current revenue. Correct answer is A. Total expenditure is more than total revenue. Question 48. Fiscal deficit in the budget means A. Revenue deficit plus the net borrowings of the government. B. Budgetary deficit plus the net borrowings of the government. C. Capital deficit plus revenue deficit. D. Primary deficit minus capital deficit. Correct answer is B. Budgetary deficit plus the net borrowings of the government. Question 49. In which year was RBI nationalized? A.1955. B.1945. C.1950. D.1949. Correct answer is D. 1949. Question 50. National income refers to A. Money value of goods and services produced in a country during a year. B. Money value of stocks and shares of a country during a year. C. Money value of capital goods produced by a country during a year. D. Money value of consumer goods produced by a country during a year. Correct answer is A. Money value of goods and services produced in a country during a year. Question 51. The Indian budget includes A. Revised estimates for the current year. B. Budget estimates for the following year. C. Actual figures of the preceding year. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question 52. The first estimate of national income in India was made by A. Mahalanobis. B. V.K.R.V. Rao. C. Dadabhai Nauroji. D. Prof. Sharoy. Correct answer is C. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question 53. Invisible export means export. 1. Services. 2. Prohibited goods. 3. Unrecorded goods. 4. Goods through smuggling. 5. All the above. Correct answer is 1. Services. Question 54. Dumping, in the context of international trade, refers to a. Exporting goods at prices below the actual cost of production. B. Exporting goods without paying the appropriate taxes in the receiving country. C. Exporting goods of inferior quality. D. Exporting goods only to re-import them at cheaper rates. Correct answer is A. Exporting goods at prices below the actual cost of production. Question 55. The headquarters of World Trade Organization is in A. Montreal. B. Seattle. C. Geneva. D. The Hague. Correct answer is C. Geneva. Question 56. The Year of Great Divide refers to A. Rapid growth rate in population after 1921. B. The declining sex ratio after 1921. C. The slowdown in death rate after 1921. D. All the above. Correct answer is A. Rapid growth rate in population after 1921. Question 57. India's economic zone extends miles off its coast. A. 100. B. 150. C. 200. D. 250. Correct answer is C. 200. Question 58. Ad valorem means A. According to value. B. According to weight. C. According to size. D. According to advertisement costs. Correct answer is A. According to value. Question 59. What is green gold? A. Tea. B. Coffee. C. Gold. D. Rice. Correct answer is A. Tea. Question 60. World Development Report is an annual publication of A. United Nations Development Program. B. International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. C. World Trade Organization. D. International Monetary Fund. Correct answer is B. International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. Question 61. Which Indian city is known as the financial capital of India? A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Bangalore. D. Kolkata. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. Question 62. Who was the first woman finance minister of India? A. Nirmala Sitharaman. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Arun Jaitley. D. Manmohan Singh. Correct answer is answer B. Indira Gandhi. Question 63. What is the fiscal year in India? A. April 1st to March 31st. B. January 1st to December 31st. C. July 1st to June 30th. D. October 1st to September 30th. Correct answer is A. April 1st to March 31st.